Okay, I'll be walking you through a lab on assigning list privileges to various users in the system. So these list privileges using the vsudo, it gives each user different levels of administrative rights in the system, and this in in turn reinforces the principle of this privilege. So let's go ahead by creating various users. Right. Alright, let's assign various passwords to each of them. Alright, so alright, as you can see, all authentication tokens have been updated successfully for the first user. So let's go ahead and assign another password to the second user. Oh, I made an error. Okay, so changing the new password for the next user. So we're going to have alright, successfully. Let me just jot it down so that I don't forget the password. Okay, so let's assign the next password. So changing user, let's write an error. Let me give it a new password. Let's see. About that, let me give a new password. Okay, all authentication has been updated for their user successfully. Alright, so next up we're going to be assigning the privileges using the vsudo. So we're going to start by okay, this actually opens a sudoers file for editing. So we have to look for the file that allows user predefined storage commands, and we uncomment it. Okay, so right here you see the storage command where we have to uncomment it. So go ahead, uncomment this and this. So from there we move down to inserting the command. So right here alright, so right below this we're going to insert the command that gives the first user all the privileges. So careful with semantic error. And as you can see with the second user, we don't give all the privileges. We have to give them privileges that allow them to run only the status in which they have the SSH command through their sudo. So here we're going to add the various directories we have. Sorry, okay. Alright, and for the last user, that is, we will give privileges as well. So this privilege we are giving here, it allows this user to use commands only under the storage alias. So that's it. So we can then save this and can move out. We can move out. Okay, so after editing the visual file, we can now log in into the first user's session. So what we're going to do is so now we have to input the password we have created at the beginning. As you can see, authentication failure, so we have to review the password again. Alright, so it was successful this time around. So as we all know, this very user has has a super rights in the organization. So it has the maximum level of administrative rights. So next up, let's move on to the next, which is remove. Okay, which was you have to take an initial lecture from the system administration. It usually boils down to these two things. You should respect privacy, think before you type, right thing. So now we are in the user mode for the first user, which is Belva. So they're asking for the password for the first user. So input it again. Alright, so that has been done successfully. So the next step, we were using the sudo privileges of Belva, and in this account, she is likely able to do anything in the system. Okay, at this point, we just use the exit to log out from this. Alright, so we have exited. So that there we have exited the root mode for the user Belva. So now